Whoa, where am I? Ah! Fire! Oh, that was a close one, guys. Oh! Oh, there's an apple. Yummy. Yummy. I gotta search for more apples. Welcome to Buttons and Boxes. Welcome to Buttons and Boxes. Hi buddy! Welcome to Buttons and Boxes! And today is the first episode of Tamagotchi Wonderland! I'm opening a pink Eevee Tamagotchi. And I'm opening a brown Eevee Tamagotchi. That's right. And let's introduce them. So, we have this Eevee Tamagotchi. These were really expensive. This one was $39 and that one was almost $50. Expensive, right? And they're both sweeping. Yes. But that's just a sticker. And they can also evolve. Yes! You cannot choose how they are gonna evolve. It's a evolving of how you train it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different options to evolve. I love all the options. Let's get this baby open. So look how small these are. Here's my pink one. They're even smaller than this one. How adorable is that? I think these are smallest versions. Comparison to the medium. And comparison to the big. Those are way bigger than these. I think we could only do them with the medium. There's a little Eevee on the front. Little Eevee by the front. Let's see if Jenna has that. I have Pokemon things all around. That's why. Like the moon, and that's Pokemon. And the sun. Look at everything on the sides. So, wait, they don't have it flat on the bottom. 3, 2, 1.
That was anticlimactic.
12 a.m.
Oh, look.
Can you see the
There's
Eevee?
an egg.
Oh my memories. Cute. Not an Eevee! Can we see the Eevee? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I see an egg. Did I get an Eevee? The Pokeball. Wasn't it a Pokeball? Was it an egg or was it a Pokeball? Really? So here is the Eevee. Look how adorable it is. We can press the first button and it says all Japan's letters.
Shijoku Oshu. Let's press the first one. Oh! It's eating! Okay, let's press it again.
Look how cute! Can I get mine too?
That's cute.
Let's give
Oh,
it
that's
back.
a snack, I guess.
How do I get mine too?
Oh.
Look how adorable!
Okay.
How do I get so cute! Look how cutesy wootsy it is!
Okay, so we can only do these two things.
Look how cutesy wootsy!
Huh? What's it doing?
It's happy!
Okay, this is for the time.
Is it really?
We can only do this. We can only do two things.
So it's actually.
Oh wait, no. What's that?
What is this?
I don't know. We need to learn. Oh, that's a game. Oh, we did very bad at the game. Okay, let's I guess this is also a game. What do we need to do?
Go! I think you need to press the first one when there's a music note.
Ah, okay.
So I'm gonna see the comparison.
See, the Nano, I think the Eevee is even smaller than...
It's thinking.
Aww. But it is cute though. It is really cute, Eevee.
So we hope you enjoyed the first episode of Tamagotchi Wonderland. It was really fun showing you guys the first episode of Tamagotchi Wonderland. We hope you enjoyed it too. And we hope you want to like, subscribe, and comment down below and share it with all of your friends. But they're expensive. Don't forget that. That's a really good one, Alice.